today that we have been talking for the last few months. As आप लोग सब अवेयर हैं कि हम लोग पिछले काफ़ी महीने से बात कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. हम लोग का कॉल थानसा का था. Many times political parties make alliances only before election. But once election is over, nobody talks about Hansa, nobody talks about Doha, nobody talks about unity. Lekin, I am very happy that the INPT, in their wisdom, has taken a decision on behalf of not themselves but the entire community. And yesterday, Vijay Rangkhol, Jagdish Debbarma, Shivcharan Debbarma, Ratish Tripura, the entire party, the senior leadership, Jyotish Jamatya, they all came and met me. Some other senior leaders there as well. और उन्होंने डिसीजन लिया है कि फ्यूचर में तिपरा एंड INPT should be one single entity. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है क्योंकि आज से 6 महीने पहले त्रिपुरा में ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 9 पार्टीज था. आज मेजर पार्टीज में जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है there is only 1 or 2 parties left in the regional front. I will also like to thank चित्तो बाबू जिसने ये पूरा इनिशिएट किया था इनिशियली जब उन्होंने अपना पार्टी TSP को त्रिपुरा को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया. बुद्धू देबबर्मा IPFT त्रिपुरा जिसने अपने खुद सैक्रिफाइस किया. यहाँ में TYPC का चेयरमैन है, एक्स चेयरमैन है, उन्होंने सैक्रिफाइस किया. And we became Ranjit Debbarma, which is a part of our thing. Animesh Debbarma is here. हमारा CM, the young and dynamic Purno Chandra Jamatya. Our senior loyal members like Shidham Debbarma. We have Rabindra Debbarma. हमारे EMs है Bhavaranjan Riyang. हमारे पास Sohail Debbarma है. All the young EMs, Guru Podo Debbarma, Kubuiti Jamatya. I want to thank everyone कि आज this is historic, indeed historic, कि the oldest political party in Tripura has decided for the interest of the Tiprasa community, for the interest of our combined goal of Greater Tripura land, to come together and work as one single entity. The Tripura party, as a chairman, I have welcomed this step, and हम लोग आने वाले दिन में एक पार्टी होकर एक आवाज़ में अपने दोफा के बारे, अपने स्टेट के बारे, अपने राज्य के बारे हम लोग एक आवाज़ में एक प्लेटफॉर्म से अलग अलग फ्लैग से नहीं, सिंगल फ्लैग से, सिंगल पार्टी से हम लोग आगे चलेंगे. 70 साल से हमको डिवाइड किया गया है अलग पार्टी के नाम में. सरनेम अलग हो तो उसमें डिवाइड किया गया है, अलग कम्युनिटी में डिवाइड किया गया है. लेकिन जो हमने पिछले 6 महीने में देखा है वो प्रूफ करता है कि अगर हमने अपना ईगो को नहीं रखा, हमने अपना अहंकार को नहीं रखा और हमने कम्युनिटी के बारे में बात किया तो एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल. आई सैल्यूट विजय रांखौल. विजय रांखौल और मेरा एक पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप है. आई हैव ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू विजय रांखौल. माय फादर न्यू विजय रांखौल. राजमाता नोज विजय रांखौल. जगदीश बाबू, आई वांट टू थैंक यू ऑल फॉर योर कमिटमेंट. इलेक्शन के टाइम बहुत लोग आए, बहुत लोग चले गए, बट विजय रांखौल्स कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स मी पर्सनली, जगदीश बाबू's कमिटमेंट, यहाँ में उमा शंकर है, हिज कमिटमेंट, दादा MDC फ्रॉम INPT, उनका कमिटमेंट हमारे तरफ कंसिस्टेंट रहा. टू ऑल द मीडिया, आप लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं, आप लोग क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि पॉलिटिशियंस लोग इलेक्शन के पहले हाथ मिलाते हैं, इलेक्शन ख़त्म होने के बाद भूल जाते हैं. ये शायद पहला अलायंस है, ये शायद पहले बार अलायंस हुआ है अलायंस को छोड़कर हम लोग एक हुए हैं इलेक्शन के बाद। इसका मतलब एक ही है कि वी आर एक्सट्रीमली कमिटेड to the cause of our people and to the cause of our state.
I thank His Royalness Maharaj Pradut Kishore Manika, the Chairman of TIPRA Motha, and my General Secretary, Honorable Chairman of TTADC, Mr. Jagadish Devarma, and all other functionaries of different regional political parties. We are together here. I also thank CM, EMs, and all the elected MDCs, print medias, everyone here, including our all functionaries of regional parties. So we kept on discussion, assuring each other with Maharaji also. We wanted brief, but one thing I spoke there, it can be better post-poll also. One may win, one may lose, but our grievances can never end. Therefore, we being placed minority against our own will, on our own soil, and it gives us more impression and strengthen us to disobey the arrogancy and other some instrument which want to divide us. Today, I feel very full of joy, and I find every face of the print media's friends also charming. Some may not be very happy, but everyone is very conducive to the issue. And you all want that the change of the state should come at the earliest possible. The first change had been brought under the leadership of our Maharaj Pradut Kishore and all other functionaries of different regional parties. I do not remember all the names, but I know everyone, those who sacrificed their life. And today we would be happier if we could have some other elders and friends who began to fight for our existence in Tripura. Unfortunately, we miss them today. They are no more with us. Some are still there. They are unable to move from their seat, from their bed. And we're so happy that under the leadership of our TIPRA Motha chairman, Maharaj Pradut Kishore, that the ADC has been attained. And we really fought for the ADC. Socially, we had been boycotted at the time of communist regime in our land. We could not use one well to draw drinking water. Our girl students were expelled from the school when they used to wear their own clothes. Our cockbrow was not allowed to speak in any institution. We were beaten to forget our own mother tongue. We came across all these difficulties time and all these impediments we have to come across. Today, weekend effort will continue, and our heart and mind and self-determination spirit, right for the last 55 years I've been struggling my whole life. Today I would be the happiest man to see the younger generation coming up with their motive and sacrifice and accepting the truth. So today, I hope my old colleagues, senior colleagues, and dynamic leaders, those who are running the administration of PTADC, will be newly inspired today also and work hard so that we can make our society free from corruption, and we can also work for the needy people, those who really need, and we can fight our way. Many are impediments coming on our way of administration. We live peacefully. We live a life of freedom. We want to live a life of various evil spirit, because everything is coming across our people also. Those who have a lot of problems, they will be describing these or that. But we would like to make understand every individual, those who really think for the advancement of the society. It can be termed as the area TTADC, but we are equally concerned for the entire state, those who are economically weaker section. Weak is weak, poor is poor. Poor never described separately, either be it Mongolian, Aryan, Dravidian or European, it's all the same. So we came from that background. We started our struggling life in years back, 1965, when many of you were not born, many of you were small boys and girls. But today, we're all grown up, and I'm happiest man at this age, touching almost 76, and still living as a statue, as a man. I don't claim myself to be a legend standing alone, but we are all my colleagues in the staff. And I wish you will today change your mindset so that you can be an instrument for the development, for the advancement of our society, those who are trailing behind economically, educationally. So today, once again, I thank every individual leaders here from different regional parties, because I have very short memory to name all of them, but equally I'm grateful for all of you today. And I wish, I pray to God, so that God will bless each one of us, those who are really carrying the clean heart. We want to build our society building on the rock, not on the sand. If we build our house on the sand, it will break easily. So we want to build our society on the rock, very strong. The wind may not blow. Any kind of temptation may not break it away. So thank you so much. God bless.
Before the elections with INPT, and today INPT has merged with TIPRA. Today we have the president of the INPT and the general secretary of the INPT, and we have the chairman of TIPRA, Mothar, and we have Honorable CM, and we have EM, and 2 EM. And now I would like to call upon our chairman to kindly brief the media of this historic day. May I call
post-poll unification. And no party is big. आज तिपरा का ज़्यादा MDCs हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ में कोई पार्टी बड़ा नहीं है, कोई पार्टी छोटा नहीं है. We are all together, we are all same, and everyone in this new platform party will be given equal amount of representation and respect. ये मेरा guarantee है to every member of all the parties. I would hope that Vijay Rankhol also and Jagdish De Barma also put in some word of their own. Vijay Babu.
RFL এর ত্রিপুরার একমাত্র শোরুম বেস্ট বাই। বেস্ট বাইয়ে আপনারা পাচ্ছেন নিত্য নতুন আধুনিক ঘর সাজানোর উপযোগী বিভিন্ন রিগাল ফার্নিচার, RFL প্লাস্টিক্স, ইটালিয়ানো মেলামাইন, RFL গ্যাস স্টোভ, RFL টয়েস, RFL বেডিং আইটেম কমফি এবং RFL স্যানিটারি আইটেমের বিভিন্ন সামগ্রী। আমাদের ঠিকানা রোনালসি রোড, নিয়ার জয়নগর বাস স্ট্যান্ড, আগরতলা, ত্রিপুরা। আমাদের ফোন নম্বর 9774185672।
নমস্কার, আমি মৃন্ময়ী। আশা করি এই প্রতিবেদনটি আপনাদের ভালো লেগেছে। লেটেস্ট খবরের জন্য এভাবেই দেখতে থাকুন দ্য সোশ্যাল বাংলা। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, শেয়ার, সাবস্ক্রাইব অথবা ফলো করতে ভুলবেন না।